Hi, I'm Ellie. Hi, I'm Olivia. We are Rosie Riveters. Today we are going to be paleontologists because we're going to make fossils, dinosaur fossils. So what you'll need is 1 cup of salt, 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of warm water, so you'll put it in here, sand or sugar, and then you'll need a whisker, a bowl, and any type of dinosaur, little plastic dinosaurs. Wow! So today we are going to make mold fossils because we are going to push our plastic dinosaurs into the dough. Most fossils are called body fossils, which means parts of the dinosaurs is left behind. Let's get started. Now we're going to start making our salt dough fossils. So you're going to need 1 cup of salt. So then you're going to dump it in. Make sure you have all your ingredients close by. Okay, so now you're going to need 2 cups of flour. Make sure you push it in a little. Dump it. And then you're going to need another cup. Then you're going to dump it in. So then, you're going to make a well, which means a hole. And then you're going to pour your warm water in. 1 cup of warm water. Pour it in just the middle. Then you're going to stir that with your spatula.
Fold it in.
Fold it in.
If it seems too watery, don't add more water. Just let it sit for a minute and the water should absorb.
So if you still have extras and you don't want to stop this fun thing, you can just play with it, and after, if you do that, it's going to be really messy on your hands, but not on the table and stuff if you put something down. So you can play with that and it's really fun. And it's really sticky. But if you want, before you do that, you can when you do that, you can do that, play with it, and then you can put your hands in the water, and then if you think it's too sticky, and then just play with it with the water, and it will feel better.
Okay.
Now,
I need to roll it out. So you can use your hands or a rolling pin.
so we're going to pat that down so hard.
To about 1/4 inch.
Maybe you could measure it. So push as hard as you can. Don't make it too thin.
Okay, we're going to use our measuring cup as our cookie cutter. We make a circle.
Can I make a circle?
Mm-hmm.
And then you take it out.
You pick it up.
And then you're going to see your dinosaur, right?
Okay, can you make an imprint for us?
Yep.
Okay, let's move it over.
So come on. So see the feet. This one doesn't have the feet.
Yeah, why don't you pick something else?
See these feet. You're going to put it in here. That's a bad one. Then you're going to lift it up. And then you have some feet.
Okay, and when you're ready to put your fossil salt dough cookie, put it on a drying rack or a cookie sheet for 1 to 2 days, and they will turn out
Okay.
like these. You want to hold those up?
So like this one, I messed it up. Or like this, you can do a couple. I want to put. And sometimes, like real dinosaur fossils, they don't come out as well.
Now,
Can I put a sand in? Put a
Okay,
sand
now
in.
you're going to take your tin.
Or it can be like a bowl.
Yeah.
It can be like whatever you have like that. If you don't know how to have it, get it.
Okay, so after 2 days of your salt dough drying,
Sometimes it takes more. You put sand in.
right, you take your sand and you put it in your bin. And the fun part comes of hiding your fossils. And this is the part where you become the paleontologist and you are looking for the fossils.
So you're gonna bury them in. Maybe you should close your eyes so you don't look. And if you do look, it's fine. Just put them around.
Mhm.
Oh wait, I see one. It's fine. Just put it up.
Okay, so once you find one of the fossils, you can also then see if you can match it to the dinosaur that you made the imprint with.
Okay, so I
And
feel
it becomes
one.
a game.
Oh, this looks like a tail print. Let's see if this matches. And it does. I see some. What does this match? So that's how you play the match. It's kind of like a matching game. Have fun making it. Enjoy. Enjoy. Bye. Bye. We can do